Hello guys, this is Cedric, and today we will show in this video the Phantom network, the FTM network, and how we can snipe liquidity in the same block in the Phantom network. So this we do it with the Coin Chain Sniper bot, the version 0.9.5, which is supporting many networks like BSC, Ethereum, KuCoin, Polygon, Phantom, and AVAX. So today we will focus on Phantom network. And we will show how to snipe the liquidity in mempool. So it's very important to say in mempool because this way we can have all transaction exactly in the same block as the liquidity. So first in the bot, we will go to Pancakeswap because I will create the token on Pancakeswap. And then we snipe fair launch with liquidity. So we select one. And now we have to enter the token address. So for the token address, I will create one. So I have my contract here. I will deploy it directly. So I will deploy a new contract, a new token. So my contract is deployed. Now I will add, so I have the address here, copy address. I go on Pancakeswap. I can also, what I can do is already start the bot actually. So now we have the token is created, but we don't have any liquidity yet. So I will add now some liquidity. So I go here to liquidity. So this is what the dev is doing. When he add liquidity to a token, this is exactly what he's doing. He select here his token. Okay. So now he's adding some liquidity. So for example, I will add 0.1 FTM for 100 token, for example. And now we just have to click here. So you will see it will be very fast because it's a mempool scanning. So I click, I confirm in Metamask and look in the bot what happened. It's already sending the transaction. Now we will see if it's executed. We paid the token. It's approving. And now we have the price stream of the token. So let's see what happened exactly in this token. So we can actually I bought in the bot with this wallet. So I will go to FTM scan. I will search with my wallet. So we can see here we did a transaction 1 minute ago. So this is exactly the transaction we did. We did it for this token. So for this token, what happened exactly? We add liquidity here, and then so this is a transaction we did to add liquidity from BF18, and then this is a transaction 6289 from 6289. This is my bot. So we can check here the transaction here and the and the transaction here. And what you can see here, look, we have here add liquidity. So this is the add liquidity. We have it in the block 331, and my snipe was in the same block 331. So that means we bought exactly in the same block as the liquidity. And considering the Phantom network is quite fast, that means each block usually is 1 second. It can give you an idea of how fast is the bot. So after we have bought a token, so the bot will show the price stream of the token price with the profits and everything. You can sell by pressing the hotkey to sell the token. For example, I sell now all my balance of this token. So this is also possible, and the bot will show the result at the end. Voilà, now we sold. Well, because nobody buy this token, we have zero profit, but it's normal. And then we go back to the menu. So this is how the Phantom network can be snipeable with the Coin Chain Sniper bot. So about the bot, you have here my Discord, my Telegram. I also show in the description of the video the Discord group where we have users community. You can come and join and ask your question if you want review or feedback from the previous users. No, that's all. And we will do some more video for the other mode soon. Thank you for watching. See you the next one. Bye bye.